Visit Tuscany.com. Crostini neri, traditional Tuscan recipes. Finely chop a red onion, a stalk of celery, and a carrot. Place a casserole dish on the hob with some olive oil, add the chopped vegetables and a pinch of salt, and fry lightly. Add a bay leaf to the vegetables, followed by the chicken liver, and mix with a wooden spoon. When they are cooked, add the rinsed capers, the anchovy paste, and the butter. Blitz to a paste with a hand blender. Place in a bowl and spread it on slices of Tuscan bread. Crostini neri. Ingredients: 1 carrot, 1 celery stalk, 1 small red onion, extra virgin olive oil, 1 bay leaf, 300 grams of chicken liver, 2 tablespoons of capers rinsed and squeezed, 30 grams of anchovy paste, 60 grams of unsalted butter. Method: finely mince celery, onion and carrot. Cover the bottom of a medium-sized saucepan with olive oil. Add the minced vegetables and a pinch of salt. Sauté the vegetables over medium heat for about 10 minutes. Rinse the chicken liver and add it to the saucepan along with the bay leaf. Stir with a wooden spoon and brown the liver nicely. Cook on medium-low heat for about 15 minutes, stirring from time to time. Add the rinsed capers, anchovy paste and butter. Remove the bay leaf and blend into a paste using an immersion blender. Serve with bread. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale, Ente Nazionale, Sordi, Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.